Do you guys, what surprises me the most is this things exist. This thing, this dude exists. That dude exists. Yeah, it exists. It exists. Hold on. It really exists. And look. I wonder why. I wonder why somebody. I don't know anymore. I don't know what to believe. Uh, uh, yes, yeah. Uh, but I don't know. This guy, this dude will make him into a moveset in JJS. Imagine he does. Imagine he does. This is, but I can't believe these things exist. Whatever dust, whatever dusted your Jinky, I don't know, or whatever Jinky your overwhelming breathing. I don't know anymore. I really don't know what to do anymore. What? This benefits YouTube games. It's mostly trio, Eto, and Sans fighting each other. We also put the pipeline videos was made to get gatekeep puppets of all time. I thought most pipeline videos were on SoundCloud. Some of them are officially uploaded to YouTube. How many states do we need? Oh my god. Go was. When was this? What's this? I'm be surprised when this gets added into a RNG game. Hear this jump. Come and hear this shit. My bad. See? At least it's cool. What? How about this one? Somebody knows. No way, somebody knows. Okay. Okay. Blink of Hyper Dimension.
Sa class at magpapakitang gilas. Ang
Annoying heads. I don't know what I am. Oh. Hold on, if this guy is it doubles, I guess. It doubles. So it's such a jinky. So it's a jinky. So this thing is a fusion between fused obsessed monster with the sense and dust plus uh dust buff. Yeah. So like so like dust with sense with dust om with dust om plus lb plus dt. Yeah, that's it. I think I might be wrong. Who knows? It might be two. I don't even know anymore. I might just see how I don't even know anymore. Okay. 10, 2, 5, 7. Ah. What? uh, this guy exists. Yeah, he exists, I guess. You know what? Why not? I'm gonna call him. I imagine this thing playing. Playing because of what is it? I imagine this playing in a game. I imagine this playing in a game. What is it? In a game, hold on a minute. Like when a certain sense spawns, let us say, two episodes. Okay, that's my epic like that. Go epic like that. I love bro. Since Underverse started. This would genuinely fit. This thing will only fit if this was used. Hold on, let me remember real quick. Let me think real quick. Well, I think with the I guess I got an idea. This would play when a joke character is spawned, like a joke character is spawned. Let's say, not this dude. I'm not referring to this dude. Like, let's say a dual wielding meme lord or whatever that travels between multiverses, like that. I don't know. I don't know. Trying to find the perfect opponent. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, totally. Trying to find the perfect opponent. That's it. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm never reviewing things again. I'm doubting myself. I'm doubting myself. I don't know why. I don't remember why. Why am I doubting myself? Never mind. I'll just end it here.